God damn it. Did I bend the rim? Found out that that sound was two trains colliding head on.
Gotta catch 'em all.
What's up, guys? Ming Moto here, riding through people's front yards like it ain't no thing. Just kidding, that was my front yard. So for those of you that don't know, I live right by the train tracks because I'm poor, and I actually work. So you guys saw my yard, right? And then this is actually my work. I work at an auto shop, and this is like my little field to dick around. I've done so much stupid shit in this field, you guys. Blown shit up, launched shit across the field, like fireworks, guns, like you fucking name it. Got some interesting memories in this field. But anywho, on these here train tracks, if you guys don't know, if you live by train tracks, like, you're gonna see some shit eventually. But the other day, the most recent thing that happened was a train is like hauling ass through here, right? Fuck going to the street, we're gonna go this way. So the train is like hauling ass going down the tracks, right? I'm at work. I'm over here. Over there. And we hear it just all of a sudden like slam. We hear boom, and then it just slams on its brakes. And what happened was the train came apart. Like some of the cars like just separated. And that bitch got stuck on the tracks for like, so right here's an intersection, right? So nobody could get through here. And then they blocked this intersection and the next one for, I want to say 2 or 3 hours. So anyway, the train stops at this intersection, blocking it off, right? And they stay there for like 2.5 hours, like screws traffic all up. People are just building up down the street. Like, I'm going out there trying to tell people like, hey, you might want to like leave because it's not going to be fixed anytime soon. It ain't going anywhere anytime soon.
What's going on?
It came apart. There's like part of the train here, and then there's like 50 yards, and then there's the rest of the train down there. But anyway, the way they fix this train situation is they just take 2 engines, right? Not even a whole train, and they come from the other direction, and they just ram that shit out of the way and push the whole thing off the tracks. But funny story about the train. So one day, I'm sleeping, and I hear boom, just a huge crash. And I'm like, Thomas, like something just happened, something blew up or something. And he's like, oh no, that was nothing, that's just the train. I'm like, no, I've never heard the train make that sound before. And he's like, oh no, it was just, I've heard that sound before, it's fine. I was like, well, okay, I go back to sleep. I wake up the next day, and I found out that that sound was 2 trains colliding head on. And I just was like, oh yeah, it's nothing, and went back to bed. Like, what the hell? So that's literally, if you ever heard somebody say like you could sleep through a train wreck, well, I did it. I literally slept through a train wreck. We've also seen, I've seen hobos and stuff like hop on the train, you know, like, oh, I'm gonna pick up a fucking nail back here actually. Oh, holy shit, that was just deep, sketchy sand. Woo-hoo. wasn't exactly as smooth as I was planning. How do I get out of here? Oh! Oh my god, I just almost rode down that. Oh fuck. How do I fucking get out of here? God damn it. Man, I shouldn't have did this, man.
We shouldn't have did this, man.
Here we go. I think I know this guy. I gave him the little Darla wave from the Little Rascals. I gave him the holy shit, there's a spider on it. There's my flower. Oh look, in case you guys didn't know, Z125s actually have flower holders in the triple tree. So there you go, perfect flower holder. Ah. Did you guys just see that? Oh, no? Dude, that thing just literally vanished into thin air. That was crazy. Ta-da! Oh my god, you guys, so if you recognize this spot, this is a little spot that I kind of tool around in pretty frequently. There's just some random trails back here, really not much to it. So I'm going down, so I always cut through there, right? Down that little stretch right there. And one day I'm riding, or it was actually when I first got the bike, me and a buddy of mine were riding over there, and this guy comes out of his house and he yells at, he's like, hey, stop, because we're just like exploring trails and stuff. We're just kind of dicking around in those woods right there, and he's like yelling at us, like threatening to call the cops, whatever. So anyway, like I said, I work at a shop. And so I was driving a customer home one day because we give them like a little shuttle ride. So I was driving a customer home. Oh shit, I didn't see the bump right there. So I was driving a customer home, and it ends up she's the wife of the guy that yelled at us. So that was kind of awkward. I was like, okay, here we are. Have a nice day. Goodbye. You guys imagine if I just like sent it off this wall right here? Just like 10 feet down. You think the Z suspension can handle that? I mean, it can handle this. Oh. God damn it. Should I bend the rim? So why wouldn't it be able to handle that? This poor fucking bike. Oh. Man, I wish I had just about 6 more inches of suspension travel. Man, don't buy one of these bikes, guys. Don't do it. It's a trap. It's a freaking trap. You think, oh, they're cheap. Oh, I'll save so much money. It'll be just a cheap little toy. No. You can spend so much money on these stupid little bikes that it's not even funny. Rocky, I'm just gonna try to talk like this. See if you guys can. Oh, there's a fence. So somebody's ran. Hey guys, how are you doing? Why is there a balloon? Oh, okay. It looked like, you guys, it looked like there was a balloon just like tied to a pile of rocks. These rocks are very important. Please direct your attention to these rocks. See guys, doesn't that look like it's just going into those rocks right there? I don't know. I don't know anything. Don't listen to me. How funny would it be if I just cut that? You guys, I could totally just cut that, and then it would just like, oh, I'm a horrible person. Don't do anything that I say. Look at this little suburban white America. Oh, you got your little kid statue playing in the fountain. Oh. Well, it's getting windy, it's getting dark. I'm gonna go home. Like, comment, subscribe. You don't have to, but
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.